Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Unico Hotel being built in Lilliput, Montego Bay. Now this is the first of 3 hotels that will be built on this property. The Unico is an adults only hotel. It's going to be 451 rooms. Also on this property they're going to build a Hardrock hotel and casino. And then there's going to be a third hotel, which is the Ritz-Carlton. All these hotels fall under the RCD hotel chain. Now, this development that we're looking at is a Unico hotel. It's going to be 451 rooms, and the other 2 hotels haven't started yet. Now, this development is moving so fast, it's unbelievable. Guys, if you look back at the last video, we're going to open a, what you call it? Where we put all the videos in one place so that you can look at these. You can look at how fast this development is going up. I've never seen a development in Jamaica move this fast. A playlist. We're going to create a playlist for this development so that you can look at all the videos, find them in one place, so you can see how quickly it's moving. And we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.